Today, I'm at a place that takes your breath away, not just with its beauty, but with its power of its story. This is Adwa Victory Monument, right here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. And let me tell you, it's so much more than a landmark. As I step into this space, I am immediately greeted by the sound of cascading water from the fountains, their rhythm almost dancing in tune with the traditional Ethiopian music playing in the background. It feels like history is alive here, whispering through the air and carried on the melodies. The monument itself stands tall and proud. Imagine this, a small, determined nation defeating a mighty colonial power. It's a story of resilience, courage, and unity that continues to inspire generations across the world. But what makes this experience even more special is the people. The warmth of the local is something I will never forget. They welcome you with open hearts and big smiles, eager to share their stories, their history, their pride. Whether it is the guide explaining every detail with so much passion, a passerby just wishing you a good day, there is a genuine connection that makes you feel at home. And then there is the energy of this place, pure, uplifting, and alive. It's the kind of energy that reminds you of what humanity is capable of when we come together for a shared purpose. Visiting the Adwa Victory Monument isn't just about looking back at history. It's about feeling the spirit of a nation that refused to bow down and finding ways to carry that same courage and resilience into our own lives. So if you ever find yourself in Addis Ababa, or if you are planning your next adventure, this is a spot that will leave a mark on your heart. Trust me, you won't just see it, you will feel it.